We're at the 2-bedroom at the M&A Design District, and we're going to see it's number 1619. This is a vacant unit, and it shows really well. I went and previewed it, so I like it. So let's take a look. And you can already see this is going to be a fantastic views room. Look at this room. We just walked through here, and wow, it is amazing. There's so much glass here, and the views. Look at these kind of views you could have. This is stunning. So this is 16th floor. This isn't a penthouse top floor, and it's still amazing to me. This is very, very good. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. So you've got, as you can see, floor-to-ceiling windows, and that just automatically got me. And look how big this space is. This is just a magnificent space that you could have amazing views in. Absolutely love it. So just again, you can see you've got 35 and the tollway that's going here, but then you have the Katy Trail just right over there. You've got Uptown that's right over there, and then Victory Park is just right there. In fact, let's go on the patio balcony. So let's go check that out, and it's a good size too. So we're right on here. We're going to look at it, and wow, this balcony, first of all, is great. It's wider than the usual balcony, and it's probably about 15 feet length, and then maybe about 8 feet width, something like that. And it's just awesome. You've just got fantastic views. So downtown, way down there, kind of after Victory Park, so you can see parts of downtown, Victory Park, and then just this great Katy Trail and Uptown. So just fantastic views. This is a very central location, and then this is your apartment potentially. It's great. Okay, we're gonna walk in and see the kitchen real quick, and then we're gonna see the two bedrooms. So this is the kitchen. You've got a good amount of island space here. That's definitely enough for three or four stools. You've got that beautiful Frigidaire fridge, and then appliances in general. You've got a lot of storage space here. That's just maybe more than enough. I mean, just generous amount. It's really big. You've got this, it's just so cute. I absolutely love these pop-up storage areas with the frosted glass. That's just so cool. And I love it that there's actually two of them. Two. So love this. Really, really pretty. Lots of space to store. There's lots of drawers. Those are soft close too, by the way. And then there's under the island, there's lots of drawers as well. So great kitchen setup. It's pretty. Let's go ahead and look at the master. The master's over here, and the master is masterful. Look at this, just more floor-to-ceiling windows. Look at it. Can you imagine having these views at night? This would be stunning. This would be so fun, just to be able to overlook and see everything. See, that's going north. Going north into Dallas, and then you've got all this. This is so much window space. It's amazing. So you've got over here. That's where you would put your bed, of course. So you got a lot of space to work with, and then you can put nightstands, dressers. You could put some dressers over there as well, and just a lot of space to work with. And it's probably about 12 feet is my guess, the height into the ceiling in here. And there's kind of a dip down here that's more like about 9 feet where the air conditioning is going. So you do have that. Really pretty. I love it. This is your bathroom area. You've got dual sinks here, and it's very pretty. The dual sinks, it's a dark brown, so it's granite, and then the flooring is just rather large, 16-inch tiles, but they're squared. So it's really pretty in here. You've got a great walk-in shower that's here, and then you've got a nice bath too. So you have this look and feel. Oh gosh, I gotta show you this real quick, sorry. You've got a great storage space over here. Look at this. This is really very generous for a bathroom. Look at all this storage. Will you even need all this? This is amazing. I love it. And then here is your closet that you can walk in. There's a lot of storage here, and I like the built-ins too. What I was going to say is this is Now this is kind of the a darker brown look. If you watch the other video, that's the one bedroom den, they have a one that's more of a lighter look. So as you're checking out the options here, make sure to specify kind of the look and feel that you want. Let's take one more look. We're walking to the second bedroom, and just so you can see it. So we were just at the master, and this is the second one. And so this is a little smaller. It's still a nice size, but it's smaller. It does have a great view. Really nice sized window there too. And then you've got some good space here. This could still fit a king. It would be king, and then maybe one dresser over here, and then a nightstand over there. So you definitely got some space. And then here's the bathroom as well. A little more modest of a bathroom, but it does have everything you need. So there's your tub there, and then sink and faucet and those kind of things. And then here's your closet. So, oh, okay, and it is walk-in too. So it's not as big as the other one, but it is a walk-in size as well. And oh, and it even goes back here a little bit too. So there's some great space in here. So yeah, the closet's good. Check on the closet. So once again, this is what it looks like. Great floor plan, and wow, I really like it. So it's just great space and great views in here. I like this floor plan.